Hey, update on the seat upholstery. The driver's seat has now been sewed, ready to be installed. And this is just to show you how it looks like before I install it into the foam and into the seat. These will have a metal rod in here to be firmly connected to the foam and to the seat. The same here. Metal rods will be inserted in these sections here. These has been reused from the old foam. So ready to be installed. This is how it looks when it's coming directly from the sewing machine. The foam for the driver's side was bad, and of course it is when it's the driver's seat. Especially the seat cushion here was heavily damaged, so I reinforced it with burlap. Maybe I don't know yet. Depending on when I put on the upholstery here, maybe I can feel this burlap through it. I don't think so, because there is foam sewed and glued in here. But if I can, then I will take the same foam, 3 or 5 millimeters, and glue it on here. So there will be no feeling of this burlap when I'm sitting in the seat. Also from the underside, I reinforced it with burlap, and a good glue was used. The problem was here, I can't remember which side it was, but it was pretty torn up in this section. So I took this burlap, glued it down and up against the side here, and I took a piece of burlap down here and glued it down and up again. Of course, I will make some small cuts here and there for the foam, for the metal rods to be connected with the hog rings. Also, this part of the foam was damaged, not much. I need to grind it down. I will do that in a minute. But all the bad and dead foam was cut out, replaced with new foam. So that will be smooth when I've grinded it down. So that will be nice. Okay, why did I do this? Well, first of all, for both seats, it was to try and see if I could do it myself. And I need to have as much as original car in the car as possible. That's priority 1. Priority 2 is, of course, the saving of this. And let's go through it again. A set like this in USA is $250. Then I have to add shipping and VAT. VAT here in Europe for me is 37%. Also of the shipping cost. So this is $250 for one set. $250 here, that's $500. Also the shipping cost, my guess will be for this would be $150, maybe $200 US. So that's $1,200 for me, plus VAT. And then we have the actual upholstery, that is $550, plus shipping. So if I add all this up, then it will be, well, not 2,000, but pretty close, plus VAT. So it's a huge saving for me. Plus, it's actually been fun to make. To take some old, worn out, shitty upholstery, worn out seats, especially from the driver's seat, and see, can I make this work? As it is right now, it looks like it. Of course, if this, for the driver's seat especially, if the foam here is bad and I cannot fix it, of course I will buy. So it will in USA, so it will be like new. But it's in fact been fun to make all this, to try and see what can I repair, what can I do, instead of just throwing out and buying new. Okay, thanks.